This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, and coming to today's session, today I am going to discuss about the flow control statements in Java. Statements in Java. Very important, guys. If you are familiar with these topics, familiar with these topics, these flow control statements, you can play a number of games in Java. Okay, very basic thing. Familiar with these topics, very important than oops concept. Okay, because these are basic things. What is meant by flow control statements? Means any execution flow. Means I can say that if I have any execution flow, I can say like this. Some execution flow will be there. I can say like this. Like some execution flow will be available. For this execution flow, we need to iterate over some steps. Means we are handling this control flow. For example, somewhere a water is flowing in this way. We are making this flow control statement. Up to here, I want to pass the water. Up to here, I want to pass the water. Up to I want to break this water like this. What you will do if there is any flow control statements? We are controlling with the help of some conditions. See, if from here the water is flowing means we are controlling this water by using some statements. I can say that if condition will be there, else condition will be there. On the day-to-day activity, when we go into deep into this, we'll get some clarification. Okay, the flowing water we are controlling with the different conditions is nothing but flow control statement. See, if there is some flow is there, if there is some flow will be there for that flow. Sorry, I am not able to draw the. See, if there is any flow, on that flow, if I want to perform some operations, basically for system.out.println, what we'll do, we'll do it this by using flow. Means if I want to print the hello world, if I want to print the this content, hello world, for 10 times. See, instead of writing this 10 times, hello world, there is some flow control statements will be there. If you define these flow control statements, automatically it will print 10 times. Okay, this, for example, I want to stop this after printing 5 times. Okay, we use flow control statements. See, for every condition, there is a some flow will be available. Those flows will be handled by using flow control statements. Okay, I can tell you one by one. There are three types of flow control statements in Java. Okay, those are very important. Conditional statements, conditional statement, and the second one is the iteration test statement, or you can say statements. Sorry, conditional statement, iterative statements, and another name is the transfer statements. Okay, these are the very three important flow control statements in Java. Those are conditional statement, iteration statement, and transfer statement. Okay, make this simple logic CIT: conditional statement, iteration statement, and transfer statement. Now we are going to discuss about the what is the conditional statement. Okay, conditional statements means based on the conditions. Based on conditions, we are passing the based on the condition we are printing the data. We are printing the data. Okay. See, for example, if you go for any voter ID card somewhere, you're going to apply for a voter ID card. For example, it will give based upon your gender, it will show some other fields. For example, if you select the male gender, it will come MR, Mr. like this, or MRS. See, based upon the selection of different things, it will populate some other things. See, one condition will reflect one type of output, another condition will reflect another type of data. Okay, okay, for one condition, one type of data. For another condition, another type of data. See, if you go for a voter office, you apply for a gender like male means automatically, if you select gender means in one box, automatically in second box, what will show? Select some other things like Mr., Mistress. For example, if you select married for woman, what will show? It will say Mistress. Okay, like this. Some other things will be defined. See, based upon one condition, one thing will be defined. This is called the conditional statements. Okay, these are a conditional statement. See, conditional statements are types will be available. There are types of conditional statements will be available. There are some conditional statements are available in Java. Here, anyone from BTech background with any branch? I think here all are BTech people. I am correct? Surya Teja, Brahma,
Yes.
Mahendra, Satish, Shirisha. See, you know, in the BTech itself, they say that for condition, for loop, while loop, do while loop, if condition, else condition. At that time, you'll
Yes.
take it as a very hectic. What is these conditions? How to learn these conditions? See, if you know the syntax for this, all the conditions, you can play the games. Okay, those are all. I can tell you if condition. Okay, okay, if else condition, if condition, if else condition, switch condition. These are the different types of conditions. Okay, in this today we are going to discuss about if condition. If condition is nothing but I can give the syntax so that you know about if condition. If condition, then execute some code. Here condition means see, make a note it. Here condition means it accept either true or false. If the condition will be true, then iteration comes into this area. If condition will false, then it won't iterate this condition. See, if we select male condition only, we'll get some things. I said, na, if I select gender as a male, then some auto data will be populated. Yes or no? If you select your age, for example, if you select with your age above 18, what are the things will be populated in application? Are you married? Are you unmarried? Or are you divorced like this? Okay. If you are doing job means if you are selecting in one application like I am doing job, automatically it will ask one more question. What type of question they will ask you? How much salary you are getting? Which company you are working? What is your bank statement? Which bank you are getting the salary? Like this. In the same way, if the condition will met, okay, then condition will met means condition become true. Condition will become true, then only specific functions will execute. Okay, if the condition will met will become true, then only specific functions will execute. Okay, this is very 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 important, guys. Okay, see how the syntax will be means. Syntax will be like this: if condition equal to true means either true or false. If it is true, then it will execute true area. See, I will write one example code. See, always condition will take either true or false. See, this should be like a true statement or like a false statement. This return type statement will be okay. I can tell you some more examples so that you can understand. See, I can say one thing in an example as gender. If I can say that Ram is wife of Sita. She is husband of Sita, correct? Husband of Sita. See, is it true or false? Okay, it is. This will return true. Yes or no? If this is a true, then print what I need to print when they get married. When they got married, it will print like this. I need this. If they are not, Ram is not husband of Sita, then I can declare else like this. అలా కాకపోతే who is the wife of Ram? అలా కాకుంటే who is the wife? ఓకే, ఇలా కండిషన్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ ఆల్వేస్ దిస్ కండిషన్ విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఎదర్ ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్. ఇది ట్రూ అయితేనే ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ట్రూ ఏరియా. సి ఐ కెన్ టెల్ యూ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కండిషన్, if this is the condition true, then it will comes to true area. System.out.println execute true area. If not both are same, I want to execute what I need to execute system.out.println. So I need to print false area. This is the false area now. Automatically, if the condition will met, it will comes into the if condition. Okay, it will print some area. If it is not true, then it comes to the else condition. See, this is optional. Where if you want to pass the else condition, you can pass it. If there is no specific else condition, no need to declare. Okay, I can show you. I am switching to project location. Our project location is MRD batch 1, correct? It's already MRD batch 1, sorry. See, I can say that one more thing. I can create one class. Meanwhile, I will delete this. No required. I am creating one class for the sake of, or I can create one package. What are the topics we are discussing? Sorry. I am creating one more package. Click new package name. Com dot project name dot. What are the concepts we are discussing? It's a flow control statement. I am creating some classes over here. Click new class name. I am taking one class name as a test. See here I am declaring a main method. In the main method itself, I am writing the functions. If, say I write one program, I can say that int a is equal to 10. Then if a double equal to 10, see it will return what? See, see a is 10. Double equal returns means is it equal? ఈ రెండు equal అయితే ఇంకా double equals means comparing the two objects. See here already a is assigned with 10 value. Now what is inside the a? Inside a it contains value of 10. So here I am asking if a is equal to 10, double equal to 10, a equal to 10. Yes. So I want to print this some true area. True area. See here, else is optional. I want to declare it or I don't need to declare it. See if I run this, what will happen? True area. Means if this condition will accept always true. See if I do true, what will happen? See. True area. See, if this condition will accept only true area. If I say if it is false, see it is said the unreachable statement. See. Dead code. Dead code means if it is false means no way there is no chance. By default I am saying ఇది false అని చెప్తున్నా. సో అస్సలు పోదు. 1000% ఇది false అని డైరెక్ట్ గా తెలిసిపోయింది కోడ్కి. ఫాల్స్ ఇస్ ఏ బులియన్. ఫాల్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫాల్స్ అని అది రన్ చేయకముందే ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ అర్థం చేసుకుంది. ఇది ఫాల్స్. సో ఇందులో 100% లోపలికి పోదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ డెడ్లీ కోడ్. డెడ్ కోడే కదా. Can't able to understand, guys. Anyone have doubt? I will explain one more thing. See, here it will see in this place it accept either boolean condition, either true or false. See, they don't know. I am declaring a double equal to 10. The if condition don't know either it is true or false. While executing, while runtime, it will assign this a value to 10, then and compare this value. Then it will return either true or false. Then it will execute it. In the same way, by default I am saying hey if condition 100% నా కోడ్ ట్రూ నేను నీకేం చెప్పట్లేదు డైరెక్ట్ చెప్పేసిన 100% ట్రూ సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ comes under in this true area. Okay, here see else is optional. If you want to write you can write it. Else write one code system.out.println. See this is the dead code. False area. See by default 100% నువ్వే చెప్పేసినావు ట్రూ అని. This condition will accept either boolean condition true or false. By default you are saying so here it won't reach the code because you know 100% you declare it as a true. If the conditional base if we declare it will check the condition. See if we declare like this what will happen? I will run it true. I am saying that a double equal to 12. If we assigning a to 10 we are comparing a value is 12. Is it true or false? Anyone? Is it true or false? Guys, what happened today? No one is responding. Correct. True. False. Then which will execute? Which statement will execute? This else statement will execute.
False area.
False area will execute. Correct. See, if I run this, false area will be executed. So this is called the if else condition. Here else is optional. See, if is already done. If else also done. See, I am writing one more example. See, if a is equal to 10, which statement will execute? Okay, which statement will execute?
True area.
True area. See, if I run this, what will be the output? True area will be the output. Correct? See, for your sake, I am writing here. See, class state, I am declaring false statement will be executed. See, I am doing one more statement. See, again I am assigning 10. See, this shows exception. See, cannot convert int into boolean. See, this is the meaning means what? Again, this is assigning value to A. This is assigning value to A. What we are assigning? We are assigning 10 value. In the same way, if you declare here itself, see this is what will happen. This will happen integer. Again, we are reassigning the value to it. Means it won't return boolean statement. Correct? Correct? Boolean will declare when both are equal. Equal it denotes with symbol with the double equal symbol. Okay? See, it won't accept. It will show the compilation error cannot convert int into boolean. Okay? Example 2. What will the output? This is the output. Compilation error cannot convert into to integer, into to boolean. See, in this location, it always looks for the boolean type. It won't look for the some assigning of conditions. Okay, guys. Okay. And the next example, I can declare you. See, observe carefully. See, I am declaring here you can use any type of data type. I am declaring one more data type. String str is equal to I am taking RAM. Okay. String str is equal to what I am doing? I am assigning value to RAM. See, I am comparing str dot equals. See, there are some methods. Equals ignore case. See, equals will just it will equals it. Though both are same or not. See, coming to equal ignore case, you'll ignore the case sensitive. See, if I RAM, I declare it. I'm comparing with equal means just it will compare with the RAM. See, what it will read? Oh my God, what it will returns? It will returns false because here RAM R is capital. Here RAM is small letter. So while comparing, this condition will returns false. It returns false, correct? Yes or no, guys? Because in the above statement, R is capital. In the below statement, R is small. While comparing, it will return false automatically. So to overcome this problem, I don't know where he is using capital letter, where he is using small letter. See, for example, I have Ram, Kumar, Reddy, Parameshan. See, I don't know. He's accepting all type of characters. So I don't know where exactly this is some capital letter, small letter. So ignore it. Means I am saying that, hey boss, please ignore case sensitive. So if I ignore the case sensitive, then it will be something different. I don't know where is that. Alice. Where exactly you are using the capital letter, where exactly you are using the small letter, I don't know. So that we are using the equal ignore case. Then it will return false true. Then it will print the true area.
Add answer permission. It should be
Yes,
false.
yes, I forgot it. Correct, correct. Thank you, guys. See true area. See, make a note. For integer comparison, we are using double equal operator. This is called operator. Double equal operator we are using. Okay. And for strings comparison, we are using what we are using anyone? Dot equals or dot equals ignore case. These two methods will be avoided, used. See, make it copy this. Here, what will be the output here? Anyone? True area, correct? See, now I am going to take one more example. See, please listen carefully. See, see what will happen here. See, I removed braces. See, for the if condition, I am using the if condition. Basically, in the if condition contains open flower bracket and close flower bracket. See, I am using the ignoring this. So, what you understand in if condition, flower braces are optional. Okay, flower braces are optional. See, if I declare more than one statement, it won't accept. See, it is not recommended. The value local value not assigned. Means in the if condition, if you are using one statement only, that is system.out.println, it will then flower braces are optional. Okay. See in the else condition also, I can put else condition. Else, see if I run more than one statement, see, delete this token. Means in the if condition, make a note. Very, very important guys. In if or very, very important, or else condition, flower braces are optional when it contains only one statement, that is system.out.println statement. Okay, this is the example. In the if else condition, braces are optional only if we have one condition in the execution area. Okay, that's all about the if condition. Okay, if and if else. If it will returns true, then it will print the true area. I can take one more thing also, very very important case, sorry. See, if str dot equals to, I don't know, Ram Kumar, print true area, else again I want to do one more condition. If this is wrong, then I need to compare this with another person. I don't know exactly which is located. So again I am taking it. Else if that condition is not true, check with the second condition. Second true area. ఇది కాకుంటే ఇది చూడండి. ఇది కాకుంటే ఇంకొకటి చూడండి అన్నట్టు మీనింగ్. Second true area. See, I can take if else or if else if. ఈ కండిషన్ కాకుంటే ఇంకొక కండిషన్. ఈ కండిషన్ కాకుంటే ఇంకొక కండిషన్. Else if. ఆడు కాకుంటే ఇంకొకడు. See, again I am taking one more. In the else you need to write it any condition. True. See, I am removing something. See, now I am printing something. My default area. See what will output here? My default area. ఇది మ్యాచ్ కాల, ఇది మ్యాచ్ కాలేదు, కానీ ఐఎమ్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ విత్ మై ఓన్ ట్రూ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ. ఓకే, if else, this is the one type of example. Okay, output will be my default area, correct? అవునా కదా? ఏం లేదండి, ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ లో ఇది ట్రూ అయినప్పుడే, when the if statement will be true, then only it will enter into the execution area. If not, it will comes outside. అంతే అండి.
హలో సార్,
చెప్పండి.
ఎల్సి ట్రూ కండిషన్ లేకపోతే ఏం ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది?
ఇక ట్రూ కండిషన్ లేకుండా ఇక్కడ nothing will be executed. Nothing will be executed. I can say that something. This is become deadly code. 100% not reachable. See, again taking the same thing. Nothing will be executed. Empty output. See, empty console. Nothing will be printed, guys.
Okay.
If any matching area will be there, then only it will enter into this condition area. If this condition met, if this condition met, then only this area, then only body will execute. Okay, if no conditions met, then nothing will print or no output. అంతే కదా, ఏదో ఒకటి మెట్ అయితేనే ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. ఏమీ మెట్ కాకుండా నథింగ్ విల్ ప్రింట్. ఓకే, టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. వెరీ గుడ్, నైస్ క్వశ్చన్ అవినాష్. If no matching area will be there, then nothing will be printed. That's all about the if else condition. Now we are going to discuss about the switch condition. Switch condition. What are the types of flow control statements? Conditional statement, iteration statement, and transfer statement. In the conditional, what are the things will be available? If else, or else if, or switch condition. See, yeah, I can say that one example. You can understand? Let me listen. See, in your home, there is switchboard will be there. Like this, there is switchboard will be available. There are switches will be there. Like this, you have switches in your home. Okay. See, if I read the switches, for this, it is for fan. Okay. For this, it is for tube light. For this, it is for bulb. For this, it is for AC. For this, I can say that it's for geyser. Okay. Which switch, if you perform any operations over this button, then the particular functionality will be executed. When a fan is then fan will run. Yes or no, guys? Fan will run. If you click perform operation tube, if this condition will limit to tube, there is a tube will be there in specific location. Okay. Say if you perform switch to this condition, then particular switch condition will be executed. ఇదేస్తే ఇది మాత్రమే రన్ అవుతుంది కదా. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ది స్విచ్ కేస్ కండిషన్. ఏది వేస్తే అది మాత్రమే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ది స్విచ్ కేస్ స్టేట్మెంట్. Based upon the cases, the functionality will be executed. If you perform fan operation, fan will come here and came into functioning. If you perform tube, tube will came compare. A tube ekkadundi. Yes, here is the tube. Both are same. So I want to perform operation over the tube area. So I am performing operation over the tube area. By comparing in this way, we are getting the output over the console. See, if you make a fan on, then it will checks. No, it's not a tube. If I check, I want to turn on tube, it will checks in the fan. So it's a fan. I asked for tube. Both are not matching. So again, it is going to the tube. Oh, both are same. So performing operation in this area.
Excuse
అర్థమైందా
me,
అండి?
sir. Sir, it's Brahma,
Yes.
sir. Sir, can you explain the difference between switch and LC, sir?
Switch and LC.
Yes, sir.
Switch. Not yet completed a switch condition. After completion, I will explain you. Okay. Brahma, I'm still in the initial stage of the switch condition. After completion of this switch condition, I will take you the detailed explanation of the switch condition and the if else condition. Okay. Okay, Brahma. Okay. After completion, you only get the clarification. You can able to say the answer. What is the difference? Okay. See, if I perform bulb operation, it will check the condition. It is not fan. It is fan. It is tube light. So again, it will comes to the area where it is bulb is located. On that area itself, it perform the operation. See, if this is the bulb, it will perform operation over here. Based upon the switches, ఏ స్విచ్ చేస్తే ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది లోపలికి వెళ్ళి. అదే విధంగానే స్విచ్ డిజైన్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే. I can write you syntax for the switch so that you can able to understand. See, I am giving some values. See, int a is equal to 10. I want to execute a particular functionality. See, how will be the syntax? I will explain you. Switch. Arguments. If you are passing the arguments, and then We are writing some cases. How the cases will be? See, case 1 colon some I need to write some functionality. Which type of functionality? Okay, system dot out dot println case 1 executed. Same way I can write some cases. See, for every case we need to perform break condition. After completion of particular case, I need to break up this. In the case 2 also same thing. If condition case 2 met, then execute case 2. Break. If case 3 met, okay, then break this condition after execution. Okay, if case 4 met, execute this. Then I need to break this statement. If no conditions met, at least perform some default functions. A condition met kakunde, at least need to perform something. Default condition. The default condition is system.out.println of printing of default condition. A condition met kakunde, I want to execute this default condition. This is the condition. Nothing but ఇక్కడ నేను వచ్చేసి ఫ్యాన్ రాస్తాను, ఇక్కడ బల్బ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాన్ ఉంటుంది. See, I am taking this as an example. I am taking switch తీసుకున్నా. ఆ స్విచ్ పేరు ఏం పేరు పెట్టానంటే ఇంకా బల్బ్ అని పెట్టా. బల్బ్ అని పెట్టా ఆ కండిషన్ పేరు. నేను అక్కడ కేసెస్ రాసా. కేస్ ఫ్యాన్. I can print something. SYSO switch on fan. Then I need to break it. Means cancel it. Come out. Then I am getting one more case. I am taking one more case like a tube light. I am performing some operations for it. Same switch on tube light. Again I am taking the break. Case bulb. What will happen? Switch on bulb. Break. See what will happen, and then default will be there again. Nothing will work or no connection. అంతే కదా, ఇక్కడ బల్బు లైట్ స్విచ్లకి ఏ దానికి కనెక్షన్ లేదని చెప్పిన, అంతే కదండి. అన్ని స్విచ్లు వేసిన లైట్ వెలగలేదంటే ఇంకా వాట్ విల్ ద అవుట్పుట్? సి ఇట్ విల్ చెక్ ద కండిషన్. స్విచ్ కండిషన్ first check the case 1, bulb not equal to fan, so this won't execute. Okay, then again check bulb tube light, this is not equal, so it won't execute. Case 2 not execute, and come to case 3. Case 3 bulb both are matching, so it is again switch on the bulb. See, if I write like this means here instead of bulb I will write geyser. Okay, you will check the condition. Okay, case fan is not equal to geyser. Case tubelight is not equal to geyser. Case 3, bulb is not equal to geyser. So then I can print this. No connection will be for the geyser. No geyser light even now. But geyser ki connection ఇవ్వలేదు. So by default it is printing last law. If nothing, whereas in the if else condition, nothing will be output. See, if no matching, the output should be empty. If no matching statement is available, if no matching statement is available for the if else conditions, then the output should be empty. Okay, whereas here output is empty. Yes or no? See, if this condition met, then only body will be executed. If no conditions will met, then nothing will print. Here, if no conditions will match us, default will be printed. Hey boss, మీరు గీజర్ కనెక్షన్ ఇవ్వలేదు, మిగతా ఏదైనా చెప్పండి వాటి కనెక్షన్ ఇచ్చారు. If we change to fan, what will happen? It will check the condition. A case 1, A fan matching. So switch on the fan. Okay guys, I think you got some clarification. See, I can write this program as a real time. I am taking one more class. I am taking this is a test one. I am writing one main method. Simply I am taking some conditions. See, I am taking string electricity. Electricity is equal to, I am taking it as a bulb. I am taking some switch condition. Switch. See, if you select this, automatically all the things will be auto-populated. Sim, I will take this electricity. The first value I am taking it as a fan. SYSO. See, I am taking switch on fan. Hey boss, అక్కడ స్విచ్ చేయమని మనం చేయమని. Or I can say that functionality of fan started. See, this is the string type, so I am taking it as a fan. ఈ స్ట్రింగే కదా, so we have to write cases also in the same type. See, this is not a fan. I want to take it as a tube light. Functionality of tube light started. Then what will be the other functionality? Bulb. Functionality of bulb started. If no connection, I can say that default thing. No connection to specific electricity. See, if I do like this, what will be the output? See, if I run this, 1 second guys, I am getting one. Yes, I'm in mute. See, it will check the bulb. Bulb is not equal to fan. Bulb is not equal to tube light. Bulb is equal to bulb. So this will be executed. See, within one specific condition, we are doing n number of functionalities. Whereas in the if else condition, every time we need to explicitly give the condition. If else if condition, అది కాకుండా ఇంకొక condition, అది కాకుండా ఇంకొక condition. But with one input, we are writing n number of conditions. If no matching is there, nothing will be printed in the if else statement. Whereas in the switch statement, if no nothing functionality will be there, then default will be executed. See, I am giving here it as a geyser. What will have the output? Anyone? What will be the output, guys? Students, ఏమొస్తుంది output?
డిఫాల్ట్.
Default, no connection to specific electricity. ఓకే, అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నానండి మీకు. మహేంద్ర, సతీష్, అవినాష్, శిరీష, బ్రహ్మ. హలో.
Yes, sir. We got an idea about which case, sir, but just explain
Okay.
me.
ఎస్
Difference
సార్,
between
అర్థమైంది.
switch or else, sir.
Okay, Brahma. See, this is the functionality of the switch conditions. Take this example. If you practice as much as possible, in the real time also you can implement it. This will be printed in the switch case conditions. See, I am changing this as a int. Int a is equal to 10. I am taking it as a. See, if I define here it as a case 1, here I am defining as a. See, here accepting integers means we need to pass the integer values. Correct? See, which statement will execute? Anyone,
Default.
guys? Huh?
Default. Default.
Which statement will execute? Which case condition?
Default, sir.
Yes, default will be executed. See, for you like this. Then which statement will execute now?
Functionality of fan starter.
Yes. What about others? Shirisha, Satish, Srinivas, Avinash. Okay. Then what will be the output? See, never take this float value. Always it will take either int or byte. Either int or byte. Long also it won't take. See, long also will don't take, because if I long will take the long values. See, if in the case I need to take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 lakh, 10 lakhs. So only it will take byte or int or string. Okay.
Double also it
You're
won't take, sir.
taking. Hmm?
Double also.
See, basically what is the double meaning? Double means 10.00. Correct? This is the double. What will happen? That if we give 10.015 means here in the conditions again we need to give. How I need to give? See, 10.0, 10.01, 10.02, 10.03 here in this way. So here it will confuse. So double also won't accept. Okay, guys. Okay, Brahma.
Okay, sir.
Make a note. Note in switch conditions, it accept byte, sort, int, and char and string will accept. Very, very, very important. Say I can take char also. Cat C is equal to, the single quotations I am taking A. Say I am comparing the condition. I am taking B here. I am taking D here. I am taking A here. See now which statement will execute? Anyone? Functionality of the bulb is executed. See A is equal to A. So cat C is defining, cat is accepting. So make a note. This all statement will be executed. It will be used in the switch condition. In switch condition, it accepts byte, sort, int, char, string. Take this one more example. And I will give one more example. See here what will happen. If nothing is there, then default will be executed. No connection to the specific electricity. Because here I am defining something other words. 100 I am taking. 200. 300. No, default will be executed. If no matching statement is available, then automatically which statement will execute it? Make a note. If no matching statements is there in switch statement, then default will be executed. This is one more example. Okay, that's all about the if else, and switch statement. Now we completed the conditional statement. What is conditional statement? How many types of methods in conditional statement? Anyone?
Sure, sir.
Hmm.
So I have asked one doubt. So else if
Yes.
difference between else if or switch case. Just give us a brief
Yeah,
explanation.
I asked, yes, guy. If no statement matching statement is available in the switch cases, default will be available, will be printed. Whereas in the if else condition, if no matching statement will be available, nothing will be printed. Okay, number one. And the other one, in the if condition, everywhere the true statement will be there. Only the boolean type will be the true. In everywhere we need to write the entire condition. Whereas in the switch, we don't need to write all the condition. In the starting itself, we can declare the condition. If matching is available, it will printed. That is the different guy. చూస్తే అర్థం అవుతుంది కదా.
So you're saying is the most both switch case or else if case are almost similar, sir?
Almost similar, but based on the conditions, cases will accept. See, we are using equal ignore conditions. We are using double equal conditions over here. Double equals ignore condition, or we need to use the double equal to condition like this. Like this, we need to use it. in the every conditional statement, like Boolean statement. Not same, that is different, this is different. On seeing itself, you will get some clarification.
So there is no major difference, huh?
There is no major difference. The major difference is in the switch conditions. Conditions will check in the initial stage only. Whereas in the switch condition, every line of statement we are checking the condition. In the if condition will be there, if else condition will be there, else if condition will be there, again else if condition will be there. Every time conditions will be available. In the if else, if no matching statement is available, nothing will be printed. Okay. Whereas in the switch statement, if no statement is available, I can print the default condition. Okay. Here the code redundancy will be decreased.
So
Here
in
code
else if
redundancy.
case,
Hmm?
else if case, we can print. If there is no match, we can print we can still print it, right? Using else statement.
Yeah, only by using if and else statement. Then there is only one statement, if or else. Whereas here, see how many conditions will be there. Case 1, case 2, ఇది మ్యాచ్ కాకుండా ఇది ప్రింట్ చేయి, ఇది మ్యాచ్ కాకుండా ఇదన్నా మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందని చూడు. సో ఎన్ని చేయొచ్చో అక్కడ ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ రాసాం అనుకో ఒక్క స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ రాసాం అనుకో డిఫాల్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉండదు. ఓకే.
So we can't write the else statement if we have if and else if.
Yeah, we can write it, boss. That you have to practice. See, if I stick to specific thing, it will take long time. Okay, we can write it, no problem. You can try from your side. Okay. See, in the conditional statement, yeah, we can write it, no problem. If, else, anything we can write it, no problem. I am taking int a equal to 10. A double equal to 10. Okay. Else if a double equal to 20 or else okay. Okay, we can able to write it. Okay, it will take some time. I think default area will be there like this, but we need to write explicitly. Where here we don't need to. Once we define one time, see it will matching a number of cases. Okay, here every time we need to write the case, but we set up for one time. If any new condition will come, ఈ కోడ్లో న్యూ కండిషన్ వస్తే మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ మనం ఓవర్ రైట్ చేయాలి. కానీ అక్కడ ఇలా కాదు, జస్ట్ ఒక కేసు అపెండ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. దట్ వోంట్ డిస్టర్బ్ ది కోడ్. Then if you do like this means again we need to write the close braces, curly braces like thing. Here there is no problem. Okay. Okay guys. What are the different types of conditional statement? If else and switch. These are the conditions.
హలో
Okay.
సార్.
Okay. Yes.
సార్ స్విచ్ కేసులో ఒక కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే నెక్స్ట్ కండిషన్స్ కూడా చెక్ చేస్తామా లేకపోతే
చెక్ చేయాలండి,
కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాం?
చెక్ చేయాలి.
ఒకటి
We don't check.
సాటిస్ఫై అయితే ఇంకా అయిపోయినట్టే కదా సార్?
Yes. Okay. That
ఓకే.
this is the 3 conditional statements available in the conditional block. If else, and we can do one more thing also. If, else if, okay, and switch. These are the conditional statements. Tomorrow we are going to discuss iteration statements. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, you got clarified. Who is that person? Brahma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all about the conditional statement. I can share these notes to you. Okay. Okay, guys. That's all for today's statement. Tomorrow we'll continue with one more topic, that is, I can say that iteration statement. Iteration statements are nothing but for loop, for each loop, and while loop, do while loop. These are the iteration statements we are going to discuss from next session. Okay.